you guys, it's Shay. I'm back with another video. Today, you guys, I will be doing a BooHoo fall plus size haul. I will be having pictures so you can see what I look like in some of the outfits that I've purchased. So basically, in this video, you will see some cute pieces. I bought about maybe like 5 or 6 pieces. I've never ordered from BooHoo before. I've heard a lot about them, and I've always seen that they've had like amazing sales, y'all. Sales are amazing. 50-60% off. That's a sale, not no 20%, not no 15%. Okay, so I went and checked out their website, and oh my god, I was completely addicted. So I got a few pieces, and in this video y'all gonna see them, and you know, hopefully y'all like what I picked out. I liked them. I thought they was bomb. I wish I could have got more, but the coins was a little bit tight, but the sale, I was able to get more than what I expected. The only thing I can say is that the shipping is a little bit lengthy, but it's worth it. Most definitely will be ordering with them again and again and again. So I can definitely say I love their whatever the clothing company is, that it's very true to size, especially for plus size. I've ordered for numerous other plus size companies and definitely not true to size. Like, you know, I'm not saying all of them, but some past experiences I've had, like I've ordered like 12 to 14 in a size, and not like, it makes you feel more bigger than what you really are, and that's what I don't like. So with them, I got the exact same size. Actually, some things were a little bit bigger for me, and I could have actually got a smaller size. I could have went a size down. So we're gonna get to these clothes, y'all. So the first item, first item I got was called the plus stripe knot back jumper. I don't know why it's called a jumper, y'all. It's a sweater. I don't know. But it definitely has like a knot, like, you know, a knot look in it. I got it from, they have a size US 12 to 14, and it's in the color red, which is not the only color. I don't know, maybe that's the main color they want to use. And I got it for $20, y'all. So let's see. Let me show you how this thing looks. I think it's bomb. So look at this, y'all. Look at this sweater. Like, as you can see, it's not just red. I don't know why, but you know, they could have put multicolor, but I don't really care. It's not that deep. And here's the knot. Do you see that knot? And you basically wear the knot in the back and off the shoulder if you want. You can kind of pull it up, and you will see my picture right here, y'all. I took pictures and I really loved it. It's very, very warm. Material, it's great material, definitely not cheap, and it's definitely warm, definitely for the fall winter season. You could wear anything with this, some regular jeans, some Uggs, anything, some boots, knee-high boots, whatever you want to wear. This would be, you really don't need a bunch of colors, because this right here takes the show. So I definitely love this, and got this for $20 again, y'all. This was the sale, so your girl lucked up on this. So we're gonna go to item 2. Item 2 was a plus jumbo long sleeve bodycon dress, and it came in the color Camel, and I got a US size 16, and I think this was either $10, if I'm not mistaken, $10 or $12. It wasn't no more than it wasn't even $20, so it was either 10, like 12 or $14. I'm gonna say at the most. And I really love this dress. I love this color because I think it just goes well with my skin tone, and I just think that I love it. I love the long sleeve part. I actually was worried because I thought that it was going to be like super short, but it fit me good, quite good. I mean, it's a little shorter than, it's a little above the knee a little bit, but it's definitely something y'all could wear. I mean, going to a restaurant, going out with your girls for a little drink, girls night, you know, isn't that crazy? Make sure you have your hair cute with a little bit of jewelry. I mean, this dress it's enough by itself, and you don't even really need to do nothing crazy with it. It has some regular heels, and you get to go with this. So this is, and as you can see, y'all, this is it's this nice little stretch, you know, consistency with it, and you definitely don't feel uncomfortable. It's very comfortable and form-fitting. I definitely feel like it hugs you in the right curves in the right places, you know. So that was item 2, y'all. Okay, so item 3 is the plus basic leggings, and I got this in the color Camel, and I got this in the size 14, and this was $6. Okay, $6, y'all. So I love these tights. I mean, my boyfriend, he didn't really like them because he said it looks like I'm naked, but I don't really care. Okay, because your boyfriends, they be hating, so they just don't want nobody to see your goodies, but they want to see your goodies, and that's why they get with you. But these are it. As you can see, these are very stretchy. I love this color. I don't know if it's because it matches kind of my color, but it's very comfortable. I think you can definitely use this as a lounge, like lounging around the house with your little slippers, Ugg slippers, whatever slippers you have. You can definitely lounge around, even if you need to go to the market, you know, you just need to do a few runs, even if you know go to a doctor's appointment or something. These are definitely like some great ones. And as you can see around the waist, they have the band, and it's nice and stretchy, you know, for us plus size girls. And I love them. I just, this is great for something, a comfortable look if you know, you don't want to get dressed up or whatever. So we're gonna go into the next item. And these are actually another pair of leggings, and they're called the plus high waist sculpt leggings, and I got them in the color black, and they're in the size 14, and these were $12. I think these are like, I like these more than I like the last tights I just showed you guys. These are more like the material, they're actually not like the leggings, like the tight material, like that are really stretchy. Let's see. So as you can see, this is like the part that you pull up, and it kind of like, I want to say it minimizes your waist, and it hugs you, like, you know, when you pull up around your waist, around your, you know, your stomach area. It's very long, and it definitely has like the cut in ankle part where you could wear, like, I actually wear this to work with like some shoes, with some business, like some casual shoes, you know, some slip-ons or whatever. I love it because it definitely, I feel like it sucks me in a little bit, you know, because I got a little gut or whatever. But it definitely has like a band part around it, like a waistband inside this part, and that's where I guess the, you know, it sucks you in or whatever. So I definitely like these, and the material is definitely like very stretchy, and I think you can wear this to work, to a business meeting, or, you know, if you're just stepping out, casual look. These are great, you know, black goes with everything. Okay, next item is the plus check shirt, and I basically call these things lumberjack shirts. No, I call them old man flannels because of my English teacher in high school, Mr. Richardson. He used to always grab these things out of his closet when it was getting cold around like fall, winter time, and he calls them old man flannels. So I call them old man flannels. I got this in a color red and a size 14, and this was $15, y'all. I mean, $15. Okay, and this is what I call the old man flannel. This is what I call the old man flannel, y'all. This is it. So this is like black, white, and red, and I think this is very suitable for like the winter, and I get like lumberjack vibes from this. So, but I like it. Actually fit me a little bit bigger. I could have probably went a size 12, but I mean, it left a little bit room, which wasn't too bad. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't that big, but it was, I could have went a size down. But you could definitely wear this with some black tights. I'm definitely wearing some black Uggs with these, or even some Vans. Even some Vans, you could definitely rock this. You could get some little lumberjack socks or some tube socks, some ankle socks or something, and rock it. I mean, whatever way you want to dress it up, okay? Whatever way you want to dress it up, you can dress it up. But I definitely think this is something for comfort and like snow, maybe drinking some hot chocolate in it or whatever. Whatever you want to wear, but I think this is great for winter. And, you know, have a nice little cute winter hat, you know, maybe something like this. I don't know, but I like this. This is very comfortable, and I think this is cute. Like I said, old man flannel. So yeah, and they have black buttons all the way down, And it's just, you know, something very simple. My last but not least item, which was my favorite, it's called the Plus Tailor Blazer, and it's in the color mustard, and I got this in a size 14, and I'm not too sure how much this was because I don't know. I'll probably put it up once I go and look on the website and see if they still have it up and see how much it was for, or how much the original price, because I bought this like a few weeks ago, so the sale is definitely over. But I can tell you it was very affordable. It probably couldn't have been no more than $20 that I paid for it. And this was my favorite item. So this is the mustard blazer, y'all. Hold on, let me get it together for y'all. Okay. Oh wow. I want to button it up so y'all can see how it looks buttoned up. So, all right. So, here it goes, y'all. Y'all see this? This is so cute. Oh my god. As you can see, it has the collar, you know. It's definitely a little open, like you can wear like a tank top or like a white t-shirt, a white v-neck, maybe something like this under it. This would be cute. It's very stretchy, like very stretchy, y'all. Like, it's super stretchy. I definitely could have got a size smaller. I would recommend getting a size smaller, because going down a size, because it's so stretchy. Like, it's so much room, which is a great thing. It's definitely a great thing, but I definitely didn't need a size 14. I could have gotten a size 12 and it would have been perfect fit. Like, I feel like I had so much room to like work with that it was kind of too much. But I mean, I only ordered the size because, you know, I tried to stay within, I'm in like in the 12-14 range in sizes. So I wanted to be careful because I didn't know how the sizing was for the BooHoo company. So I just wanted to be like, let me just like play it safe. But now that I know how the stuff fits and what sizes I can get, I won't be making that mistake anymore. But I definitely love this mustard blazer. I love this color. This is like screams fall color to me. Like, it just definitely it's fall. Like, and you know, you have the sleeves. I love it. The collar, it's just, it suits it. It's definitely business. I definitely will wear this to work. Definitely wear it somewhere to a casual outing or something like that. But that was like my favorite item. They're all my favorite items, but that was like my #1 thing that I picked and put in my cart. I was like, I gotta have this. This is so cute. So that is it for this BooHoo fall plus size haul, y'all. Y'all need to go check them out. I'm in no way sponsored by them. I just think they so bomb, and I want y'all to check them out. Like, I ain't getting no coins for this, y'all, at all. Okay, I'm not even nowhere near to be getting coins for clothing or anything. So when I tell you things that I like, it's coming from me, because I ain't getting nothing. Okay, I'm trying to get up there, and I'm still gonna give you the real how I feel about it, but I ain't up there. I got a long way to go. So when I tell y'all about something and I think that it's great, trust me, I'm telling you, I keep it 100. So I love BooHoo. I'm going to keep shopping with them. Like, y'all, when I'm going to tell y'all, they have 1,000 like sales all the time. Every time, ever since I've started shopping with them, I get like my email subscription to them, and I get like emails about sales all the time. So y'all it's definitely affordable for everyday woman, because y'all know I'm all about the everyday woman that has to pay bills and looking for the nice budget, but you still want to be fly. So y'all need to check BooHoo out. I'm definitely going to leave all the items and the links to the descriptions in the description box below. So y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up to my channel. And I have other videos for y'all to check out, and I'm going to have more videos. And my permanent content release days are going to be Tuesday and Thursdays. So y'all know your girl is going to be here Tuesday and Thursday. I'm getting tongue tied, y'all, so I'm so excited. But y'all gonna see me on Tuesdays and Thursdays now, y'all. So I can't wait. I got some more stuff coming, y'all. So y'all watch out and check out my other videos, y'all. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.